Whoa! Jesus.
Oh, they went everywhere.
Oh, so spicy. Oh.
Oh, I like these. Oh, it's not that good. We just got back to our apartment in Ho Chi Minh City with our massive bag of Vietnamese snacks. Some of them look a bit questionable. So some I'm looking forward to try, others not so much, but we'll see how it goes.
We're going to see if we can guess what the snacks are and see who gets the most points.
First snack for Omar is going to be...
Bruh.
It's so hard to open.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa! Jesus.
Oh, they went everywhere. Okay, so open up.
Oh. Oh, God. Oh my God. Oh, so spicy. Oh my God.
It does say...
Ah! Oh.
I guess that means spicy.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go with like chili, what's it? Crisp things. Do I get it?
I would say no, to be honest.
Oh,
So it's a spicy shrimp, chili shrimp snack.
okay. Surely I get half a point for that.
Nope.
This is really hard to get into. Again, really, really not what I was expecting when I bought this. Alright. Okay, ready? Open up.
It's like a wafer biscuit, but cheese, and it's... I'm not. Okay, next snack. Put your blindfold on.
Okay.
Open.
Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my God, that's a weird taste. It's on the tip of my tongue.
You do.
Oh, matcha.
Yes.
Matcha Popcorn.
Well
Yes.
done. 1 point to you.
Woohoo! Right, open wide, dear.
A little bit spicy. Probably not a snack I would choose to eat if I...
Why not?
It's just a bit fishy. I don't know, something fish and chili.
There's something else in it that you're missing.
Lime. Okay.
Crispy anchovy with lemon leaves.
It's not actually terrible. They look like really creepy tiny fish, but usually I would be horrified. But it looks okay.
It's time for our bonus round. Yeah, we thought we'd buy each other one drink. Your drink is this saucy fellow.
I don't know, it definitely tastes like a tea.
What sort of a tea?
A sweet tea.
Chrysanthemum tea.
Okay. I don't really know what has happened to my hair.
That's what I'm saying.
I got Omar this. Delicious.
Oh my God. What the hell is this? That is the most disgusting thing I've ever put in my mouth. And I used to eat dirt. It's got bits in it. Like skin or pulp or something. I don't know, it's absolutely disgusting, whatever it is. So, yeah, I'll have to forfeit that one. I have no idea what it is and I'm not drinking it anymore. Bird's nest white fungus. Oh my lord. Oh. Oh, was that bits of mushroom in it? Oh, some bird's nest.
Oh my.
Whoa. Oh no!
It's too much.
Oh. Sounds very well packaged.
Yeah, all these snacks are really hard to open. Maybe this is why there aren't really fat Vietnamese people, because you can't actually open the snacks and eat them all.
Cool. Tastes a bit like custard.
No!
Custard's on the outside? Nope. Tastes like if you had a custard cream, but it was an Oreo. Or similar.
You need to be more specific than Oreo or similar.
That's it. Custard Oreo? Or similar?
Sandwich cookie with milk flavoured cream.
Oh, okay.
Final snack?
It's the final snack.
Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do.
We're gonna look at YouTube
Maybe.
for that. Probably.
Maybe we'll cut that.
Okay. Open wide. Here comes the aeroplane.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, I like these. Oh, yeah. Yeah, great.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really nice. Oh, it's actually a little bit spicy at the end. Tastes like some kind of crisps made with corn, like
Caramucho. Spicy corn snack.
yes, spicy corn snack!
Well done.
I win, I win,
Although
I win, I win, I win.
Stop it. Get some help.
I think we all won, really, apart from the birds.
Apart from you.
Apart from the bird's nest.
And now I need to clean up the floor where I spilled all of the chili shrimp crackers, so I'm gonna go do that. See you next time.
Cool.